I live in Arizona and I have a pool, so I can never have enough pool and beach towels. Thank you to the brand for sending me these samples. I want to go through and answer some of the questions that I know you have, because they're the same questions I had about these quick dry beach / pool towels. So I'm actually headed to Greece next week with my husband, and these are definitely coming with us because I'm going to show you how you can roll them up and use the built-in like elastic strap to hold it together. My other thought too is what a great way to hang these up outside, poolside, or attach them to your beach chair, hanging them up to dry. So they're there to like rolled up and hold that strap together, but I really like this for multi-purpose. So one of the questions I had is, you know, what's the texture and the material quality going to be like? So this isn't like a fuzzy terry cloth beach towel, but that's not a bad thing, because the reason you want like this microfiber is because it dries so quick. So these have been washed a couple times in my washing machine, and yes, they're completely machine washable. So I wash them on cold and I put them in the dryer, not a problem at all, and they are soft. And I know the brand does say that you should wash them before you use them the first time, which is what I did. So they stayed soft, and I've washed them twice, and I feel like they're getting softer with each use. So a little bit as far as like size, these bad boys are big. So I'm 5'4½", and they are taller than me. They are 35 inches wide and 70 inches long. So definitely long enough to lay this down on the beach and completely off the sand. On that note, I haven't tested this yet, but I can't wait to do this when we go on vacation next week. Is one of the features of this is because there's not that terry cloth texture, and they have, you know, if they get sandy, when they get sandy, you just take them, shake them off, and the sand is supposed to come off. I'll have to come back after we get back from Greece and let you know. But the other thing that I like is that these are obviously the green and the blue ones. There's this pattern on this side, and then they reverse that color pattern on the other side. So you just pick whichever design you like best. But I'm already thinking about all the ways that I can use these. Obviously for travel, I'm going to show you how those roll up in a second. But you know, sticking these in the camper for camping towels, going to the beach, going to the pool. But yeah, just if maybe you need a really light and small towel to take to the gym with you, another great option. So let's roll this bad boy up.